Well, this is Randy again, and we're going to look at a couple of unique looking sprinklers here. Um, this one is still good and still potentially usable. I don't know whether it even works right now. This one is broken, and matter of fact, you can see the stop is broken, and the rest of this is actually like it's almost like glued to the journal to the sleeve. So it's a very unusual design. You can see on the bottom here this slides back and forth, going from one direction to the other. Here's the top. I don't know if you can see, it says Fluidic. And if you could actually read this on the sprinkler, it says, let's see, oh, patent applied for. And this is made by, this is made by HB Sherman Manufacturing in Battle Creek, Michigan. So that's what you see there on the bottom. And that's what's written on here. It's a really cheap plastic. They try to make this silver-like, and of course the the well water, really kind of did this in. This one doesn't look so good, and this one would be basically a full circle model at the moment, if it even works at all. This one still has the stops on it. And this one might even be a little easier to read on the bottom. And of course this is broken, but it's still enough to allow this to slide back and forth. And we're going to find out if it even works. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the process of changing out the sprinkler that I have on here. And I'm just going to set this right here, which I think, as you can see, okay, so you can at least see what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to take this one off. And then we'll put the other one on. And that was the Aqualine model that worked so very well. If you need a sprinkler in your yard, that's an excellent choice. It's like what used to be called the Blackbird Rainbird, and it's similar in design. I'm gonna say almost identical, not exactly identical. Okay. All right. So we're going to go over here and put this back down. Gotta set these stops. They're very loose, so I don't know how well this is going to work, but we'll find out. Okay, let's go turn it on. That should be long enough. Definitely makes an unusual sound. You can see them leaking out to the bottom there as well. There's no adjustments on it. One of the neat designs about this thing is that there's no side spray. You know, there's no side spots, which was one of the reasons for the design. But as you see, it doesn't throw water very far. Not that I need it in this lawn. Funny how it goes so fast in one direction and slow in the other. Now remember, this sprinkler is more than 50 years old. At least 50 years old. And I just pulled it out of the box. I did a little cleaning up on it in the water to get some of the junk off of it. But there it is. Those stops aren't very tight, so it looks like they're even slightly moving, but that's okay. I'm not going to be using it as a regular sprinkler, but I wanted to see if it even worked. And surprisingly, it does. See if I can zoom in on this a little bit. I mean, it looks like it doesn't even go all the way over there, and yet the water does. That's pretty neat. All right, well, enough. You've seen the Fluidic sprinkler by HB Sherman Manufacturing company that was years ago in Battle Creek, Michigan.